guys, Running Kimono here. So guess what showed up in the mail today? The Jeffree Star Valentine's Day Premium Mystery Box. That was $60 a pop. And the special thing about this video, guys, is I bought one for myself and one for you. So you'll have an opportunity to get your hands on this. Only one winner will win it, though. I'm sorry, I only had one extra one. So on launch day on the 31st, little story for you guys. I was on the site right when it launched, and I think I was at 6 minutes, I was able to pay for it. But at the 8-minute marks, it was completely sold out. So these are really sought after they are completely sold out. And we're going to do a quick unboxing and give you my thoughts on it. And if you want to be in the running to get one of these boxes, I will have all of the information for the giveaway at the very end of the video. So let's open this up and I will show you what I got. And I know a lot of you, for the Shane Dawson release and for the Christmas boxes, I was out of town or driving, so I couldn't even get online, and basically I didn't get either one. And then Valentine's Day, like right when it launched, I went right away. So here's the box, and I already am going to let you guys know that I think the last box that I got, the mystery box for Halloween, the Halloween box was half the size. So this is already double in shape. The Halloween box was probably like the small mailer at the post office. The box, that's about the shape. So this is taped down. It came in a massive pink box, but I'm not going to spend like 6 hours opening that up because it'll take forever. So let's open this guy up. Already you can see there's a lot of love in this box. It's like you have a girlfriend who's sending you a gift with love. So this is the Jeffree Star beanie. And just to show you guys something, this is kind of funny, but this is my everyday beanie that I wear from Duluth Trading, because this can really cover your hair really well, and I have like a lot of hair. But kind of funny that it's a red one, so already we are off to a very good start because I love red headwear. Here it is. And I'll just drop in a photo really quickly of me wearing this. But how sweet is this? So it has the little Jeffree logo right here. And it's just like a regular beanie. So yeah, there's the first item of the mystery box. The second item that we have here is the gloss. And I think this was the exclusive for this. It's the Valentine's Day product. And this is in the color Succulents. So let's open this guy up. Ooh, it's kind of stuck. Oh. So this is the first one of these, you know, this new wand that he has. The first lip product I ever have of this. And this looks really nice. Looks like it would make a really good topper for a lipstick. Like to go over it. And very pinky, very beautiful. And for Halloween, it was some crazy colors in the very small box. So I'm really happy that this is a very everyday wearable color. So very impressed with this. I have a pop socket, and I am a huge user of pop sockets. So I'm delighted to get this. And I always have a pop socket on my phone. So I'm going to use this definitely. And the final product, I have the sneakiest suspicion. This is the Alien palette. So I've seen people already unbox it, so I know it's the Alien palette. And I thought that it would either be the Alien palette or the Thirsty palette, because I know he's discontinuing both. And I actually guessed this like a week ago. A friend of mine who's really into Jeffree Star, we were talking about, you know, what could possibly be in this box. And I knew it was either going to be this one or Thirsty. And I think of all the rumblings and grumblings online, the small box that was $60, this is the one that most people are saying they really are loving the most. So this is extremely generous. So this box was $60, but this palette is $52. So some excellent savings right there. So let's open this up, guys. Ooh, look how beautifully that's packed. Just a real attention to detail. There it is. What I love about this palette is there is a lot of neutrals. And if you are just like not too creative with your makeup and you just want like an everyday look that's not really out there, I think a lot of these, like, you know, browns and these sort of colors would, you know, it's going to look really nice. There's a black one down here and like that, just beautiful. So guys, as I was saying, I think this is a superb value. Unfortunately, these boxes go so quickly that, you know, you either get them or you don't. And I really wanted to say thank you to one of my subscribers. So, sorry guys, I only have one of these boxes because my budget is not that big. But here it is sealed. So, I want one of you guys to win this. And this is how. Okay guys, so you have to be a subscriber to this channel, so please subscribe. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you are from Columbus, Ohio, write shopper from Columbus, Ohio, and that will be your entry. This is a couponing channel, so write shopper in front of it so I know that you are a couponer. And the winner's name will be pinned to this video. So right at the top on Friday, February the 14th, so on Valentine's Day. And the winner, the one person, will have 24 hours to get back to me. And if I don't hear from them, I will pick somebody else. One entry per person, and this giveaway is for the USA only. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.